to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Cheri. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday all about Disney. So I'm going to Walt Disney World in like a little less than a week. I think I leave, when this video goes up, I think I leave in like 5 days, I think. So I purchased a lot of things to go on this trip, and I'll be honest with you, when I booked this trip, I was like, I have so many Disney shirts, I have so many ears, I don't need anything, I'm not going to order anything. Yeah. If you did not watch my trip announcement video, I am going to Walt Disney World with 3 girlfriends. So the 4 of us are going for a very short trip. It is a 3-night, 4-day trip. And we decided to do like some matching outfits. So I'm going to start there. The first thing we got are these ears. I really didn't need another pair of ears, but these are really cute. These are from a shop called Mini Castle. I think they were $9.99 each. And I haven't like worn them all day, but I have tried them on and they're super comfortable. They're really lightweight. They're very well constructed. They have a really thin headband, which I really like. The ears are all sequin, which are really cute. We decided to get the rainbow bow to match everything. So I'm going to go ahead and slip them on. Aren't they cute? I'm kind of excited. I don't have like any rainbow ears. So we all got matching ears. So we each got a different color shirt. I got the dusty blue, and the shirt just says the one where they go to Disney, which we thought would be cute for the plane and our day at Hollywood Studios. And then we're going to wear the matching ears on that day. And then the other matching shirt that we got is this one. And it says magical, and it is by a shop called Girl Threads on Etsy. And this one is like, it was a shirt and it was cut, like they cut it. That was the way that it came, which I really like. There is a YouTuber that I watch, Victoria in Detail. She has a Disney channel called Disney in Detail. She cuts all of her shirts and I love the way it looks, and I've always been too chicken to do it, but I like that like they did it, and I like the way that it fits. And then they also, oh, they cut the bottom too. So this shirt is really, really long. I got an extra large because I wanted it to kind of like be like real slouchy and kind of like off the shoulder, but it is really long, so I may end up cutting it, but I don't think I'll cut it until after the trip. But we all got the same exact shirt with the same like in the same color for this one, and this I'm going to wear to the Magic Kingdom. And then next I got this shirt. And this I got super oversized, and it is a muscle tee, but the reason why I wanted it like super oversized is because I wanted to wear like a cami underneath, and I wanted to like have it kind of show on the sides. It is like really old school, like I'll call it VHS Castle, and it is in the rose gold. I like it, but I feel like the rose gold is like really, really shiny and iridescent. Maybe it's just me. But I just thought with like black capris or black shorts, it'd be really cute. And it is a little bit of like a high-low. Not really, but like a little bit. Do you see that? And that's another reason why I wanted it kind of oversized. So I think I'm actually going to wear this to Epcot. I know it's the castle, but I think I'm going to wear it to Epcot, to the Food and Wine Festival. I just kind of have this outfit in my head, and I think that this will be great for that. The next shirt I got, which I really didn't need, is this one. And it says Star Wars. There we go. And this is actually from Five Below. I don't know if everyone has Five Below across the country. I live in Michigan and we have them everywhere here. It's kind of like a dollar store, but it's like really nice. They have some good stuff, and everything is $5 and below. So this shirt was $5, and it's actually like licensed. Like it says Star Wars on it. And this is one that I thought I would cut, but I feel like the Star Wars is really high up. But my plan is when we go to Hollywood Studios on our first day, I'll wear the one where they go to Disney. And then when we go to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, I will change in to this one. This was really not a necessary purchase. I do have another Star Wars shirt, but I kind of wanted a new one because I have a lot of pictures in the other one, and you know, I'm a girl, I need lots of things. Okay, and then the last shirt I got is this one, and this is a Toy Story 4 shirt. And can you see the whole thing? Like it has like Duke Kaboom It has Forky. I'm pretty excited about this one. This one, oh my goodness, I got this at Walmart. So we were at Walmart the other day. My son was looking at the videos, and across from like where the videos were was like the little girls department. And I was just kind of like, just looking, not even looking, like standing there with him, just kind of looking across. And I saw this shirt and I was like, oh, that's kind of cute. And I was like, well, that looks kind of big. And so this is like in the little girl section. I got a triple extra large. So if I need to wear a triple extra large in the little girl section to get a shirt, I'm okay with that. Because do you know how much this shirt was? So it was marked $7.98. It rang up for $2. $2 for my little girl's shirt. And it's cute. It's kind of a high-low a little bit. It fits nicely and it's like kind of long. So I'm just kind of surprised that they have like a little girl's like 3 extra large that's this big. So yeah, but I'm pretty excited about this shirt. And then the last item of clothing that I got is this. Okay, so this is a rain jacket. This is from a shop on Etsy called Lulu Blue Boutique. This is actually the second item I've purchased from the shop. I have a sweatshirt that I got a year ago, maybe longer, that I absolutely love. And so I wanted to get a raincoat because I have a poncho that I wear. I have another raincoat that I wear. I have a Disney World poncho, but I felt like I really wanted a raincoat. So I talked to my husband and he got me this. So the color is coral and I got it embroidered with my monogram, and I got to pick like the color of the monogram, and so I did get a coral bow as well. It has a nice hood, and then it has a reflective stripe on the back, and then it has like a vented, I don't know if you can see, but like that's kind of like open, it's vented. And then it has one of those zippers that you can zip from the top or zip up from the bottom, you know, so you can kind of let it out. And I'm going to show you the inside. So it is lined, and this is like a netted material. I don't really know what it is. So it has nice pockets as well. I love it. I don't know if it's going to be great for the parks because it is a little bit thick. It's thicker than I had anticipated it was going to be, which is really good because like the quality of this, like I don't know if you can hear it, but this is like legit like rain, like you're not going to get wet material, which is great. But I don't know. I think I'm just like overthinking it a little bit. I tried to kind of like fold it up to see how it would look in my bag, like how big it was, and it's kind of big. It is really long, which I like. Okay, so let me kind of fold it up for you. Okay, so I know I didn't fold it up like perfectly, but like that's kind of big in my backpack. So it's okay. I know that like at home, I know I'm going to get a ton of use out of it, especially like taking my son to school in the morning. We get, you know, it snows, it rains here, and sometimes it's like not freezing. Like you don't need like a winter coat for snow. Sometimes you just need kind of like a light jacket so you don't get wet. So I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of this at home, but I don't know how much use I'm going to get out of it at the parks. I'm definitely going to bring it with me and I will report back to see how much I wore it. I love it, but I just don't know. And then the final thing I got for this trip are these drink Koozies, I don't know how you call it. I guess it's Koozies, but when you have like those insulated ones, it's called a koozie. So isn't it? I don't know. Anyway, these are from a shop on Etsy called Bean Shack, and oh my goodness, like how cute are these? I have a couple of these that I like to use. In fact, this is like my coffee that I actually am drinking right now. But I got the BB-8 and then I got the little pumpkin. I thought they'd be cute for pictures in the parks, but I just like to use them because I'm trying to like save the earth, and I try to recycle as much as I can, and I just try to not like use as much paper or plastic or whatever as I need to use. So I like to use these instead of like the paper Koozies. But I ordered these. Okay, so this is kind of funny. So I was actually at Starbucks, like in line at the drive-thru one morning, and I went ahead and ordered these. I had like looked at them, they were in my cart. I ordered them while I was in the line at Starbucks. I drove home. When I got home, I had an email that they had already shipped. That was on Monday, and the mail came on Wednesday, and they were in my mailbox. And so like, hello. So they were clearly, she had them like pre-made, which is awesome when you want something really quickly, and shipping wasn't that expensive. And I messaged her on Instagram, and she was just super, super sweet. So I highly recommend this shop. Once again, the name of it is Beans Shack, and I will go ahead and link this shop and all of the other shops and links and anything that I can find in the description box below. Okay, so when I said that I didn't need anything, that was a lot of stuff that I purchased when I really didn't need anything. Yeah, so I had so many shirts that I could have worn, but I don't actually feel that bad now because my girlfriend that I'm going with came over last night and she's borrowing a couple shirts, so I feel a little bit better that some of my other shirts are getting some love because I really didn't need any more shirts. But it is what it is. I'm excited to go. Tell me in the comments below the favorite item of yours that I picked up. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would love for you to subscribe if you have not already. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday, and new Disney vlogs are coming up soon. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!